Not the samurai is here!
There's more on the stairs.
All right, so let's get started. Let's start with the upper half. Tonight we're gonna draw a samureel from Yokai Watch 2. Samureel basically is a QR code exclusive yokai. And well, and basically he has the embodiment of a catfish wearing shogun armor. Alexa, what is a catfish?
Catfish are a diverse group of ray-finned fish, named for their prominent barbels, which resemble a cat's whiskers. Catfish range in size and behavior from the three largest species alive: the Mekong giant catfish from Southeast Asia, the Wells catfish of Eurasia, and the Piraiba of South America, to detritivores, and even to a tiny parasitic species commonly called the kandiru, Vandellia serosa.
Now we draw the ping pong battering ram on his that he brings into for a fight. Here's Samareel's tail.
He dropped that sauce in the car. Clive?
Yeah?
Clive?
Yeah?
Go out to Dad's car and see if he dropped sauce in the back seat.
I'm almost done with this.
All right.
Here's what Samureel eats. He never shows up for a fight without something to eat. And finished. That is how you draw Samureel. And I think I've arrived a bit late. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and look at what character I'm going to draw next. And, oh shoot, I'm late!